Here's one we definitely don't see every day around unique, especially in classics. 1957 Ford Ranch Wagon. A very cool looking car. Like I said, we don't get a lot of these in. As I can recall, we've had a few projects, but not one that's done and is this nice. As you can see, paint's in nice condition on this. It's tough for me to get the true kind of luster of this white. It's kind of the tri-coat diamond, I guess, if you will, pearl. It's kind of got that deep, kind of a little bit of sparkle to it in that white, and then the kind of the creamy yellow on the bottom. Just beautiful combination. Very nice driver quality car, would call this. It's powered by a 390 Ford. It's paired with a 4-speed transmission. You can see great stance to it. Has new shocks in the rear, actually. Ford 9-inch rear end. This car will go down the road nicely. As you can see, it's nice and straight. Panels fit well. Does not look like it's a thick car by any means. Not full of a bunch of filler or real wavy. Just take a look up and down it. Bright work, great shape. Bumpers, also in very nice shape. Wide whites. Just everything about this car has a nice look to it. Interior's been redone in a cloth vinyl combination. If you'd like to see the still pictures so you can check out the undersides, interiors, please check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. I'm going to slip around to the driver's side here too and fire this up so you can hear it run. See door cards matching the interior. There's some black and gray seat belts, front and rear. Headliner's also in nice shape. It's got some later model gauges in here, as you can see. A little aftermarket tack on the dash. Otherwise, everything's kind of kept the way it would be. Obviously, aftermarket stereo put in there also. See the 4-speed. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Great running car. Nice little rumble to it, but nothing crazy or obnoxious. As you can see, looks like all the gauges work there, and we can tell by battery and oil. Temp gauge will come up as it warms up. Slip around to the rear of it so you can hear the little rumble out of that 390. Nice sounding car. Again, check out any of the still pics if you'd like to see in the rear of it or the underside, engine bay. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you'd like to give us a call and inquire about transportation or learn more about the car, feel free to call us. 507-386-1726. Beautiful 1957 Ford Ranch Wagon, powered by a 390 with a 4-speed.